Phoenix, Arizona experiences extreme heat, dangerous heat waves, and numerous heat advisories throughout the summer months.
On average, daily temperatures reach well over 100 degrees.
Currently, public transportation offers no relief for those who wait outside for long periods of time. However, with an increased demand on cooling needs, modern technology offers an innovative and effective
The
answer.
solution? Solar-powered air conditioning. It has the unique ability to cool the surrounding area in less than 10 seconds with no need for electrical or mechanical means.
This new system is to be implemented at every single bus stop and light rail station throughout the greater Phoenix area. This will promote the community in numerous aspects, in addition to providing a well-needed service to all who use public transportation.